Ciao world! This is the summary video of the repair of this power supply. That is a power supply of an IBM 5160 vintage computer, and this supply doesn't work well. It output 10.5 volts on the 12 line and 4.5 on the 5 line, and I've investigated a lot and made a lot of mistake during investigation, and I went to trouble, and luckily I have found people on the EV blog that helped me identifying the issue. I had the suspect that it was related to something on this board here. You can see it here. Let's turn this on this ancient SMD board, and because when I heated this board up with my gun, the voltage change, the voltage output change, and so I try to investigate on this board, but I cannot find anything to my knowledge. And what finally it was that Zener diode that was mounted here. Now you can see a Zener 6.2 volt, one from the 1 in 47 family, and this one is a thermally compensated diode, but this one works well too. And the mistake I've made, the first one and bigger mistake, I have attached the 200, the mains voltage here, because I think that here was the main voltage, and because I haven't noticed that bridge here, and when I have touched the mains here, the two resistor exploded, and also all this one, this NPN, and this one, no, this one and this one get broken, and I have to buy a new one and replace. And luckily the damage was just to those three components. Then I try to investigate further, tracing what I can trace, but those are a no component. And finally, with the help of the EV blog, I have, and also I forgot to mention you that I have also, of course, checked all the capacitor, the soldering that capacitor, but all are good. By the way, because when I thermally heat this up, the temperature changed, someone on a AV blog tells me that it may be that diode on this board, and it was like that. So let's see, let me turn this way, and let me start this. You see, now I have 5.3 almost, and 12.3, and it works. It was a long repair for these things here. This is the reassembled supply, and this is the part I've replaced. I'm using the 1N4735. I have not bought the original one because it's a thermal compensated diode, the original one, but if I hit this one with my thermal gun, I don't see that much different. let's 0.1 volts plus, so I think it will be okay. So the supplies has been reassembled and I have put all together. Let's check if it works. Woohoo! We have got 12.25, 5.26, and PC starting. Look here. Drive is spinning. Now I think it's going to read. Yes. The operating system. Voltage is stable. So okay. It's working.